In today's video, I will walk you through how to take partial profit in MT5 desktop. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and make sure you have an open trade. In this example, the position is on the British pound against the US dollar, but you can follow the same process with any open trade. Once your position is open, there are two different ways to access the order modification window. The first method is to locate the dotted line on the chart that marks the entry point of your trade. Double-click that dotted line, and the order modification window will open. The second method is to use the Trade tab. Go to the Trade tab where your open positions are listed, find the trade you want to modify, right-click on it, and then choose Modify or Delete. This opens the same order modification window. No matter which method you use, you'll arrive at the same screen. Once you're on the order modification screen, look for the execution type. Change the execution type to Instant Execution. After selecting Instant Execution, you'll notice that a yellow Close button becomes available near the bottom of the window. This is the button you'll use to close part of your position. Before clicking the Close button, adjust the volume to match the portion of the trade you want to close. For example, if your current position size is one full lot and you want to take partial profit by closing half of the trade, change the volume from 1.00 to 0.50. Make sure the volume reflects exactly how much of the position you want to close. Once you've entered the new volume, click the yellow Close button. MetaTrader 5 will process the request and close only the amount you specified. After the order is completed, return to the Trade tab to confirm the result. Before the partial close, the volume for the position was one full lot. After closing half of the position, you'll see that the remaining volume has changed from 1.00 to 0.50. This confirms that only part of the trade has been closed while the rest of the position remains open. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to close another portion of the remaining trade. Simply open the order modification window again, select Instant Execution, enter the amount you want to close in the volume field, and click the Close button. That's all there is to taking partial profit in MetaTrader 5 on desktop. Access the order modification screen from either the Chart or the Trade tab. Switch to Instant Execution, enter the volume you want to close, click Close, and then verify the remaining position in the Trade tab. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.